How to use One4all on the Just Eats app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys how you can easily use the One4all coupon code on the Just Eats app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for justeats.co.uk. And once you get here, what you need to do is click on the three bars icon at the top right. And then once you have done that, you can just go ahead and make sure to sign into your account. So just go ahead and click on sign in. Or if you don't have one, you can just create an account. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my login credentials here to log in. Now, once you enter your password, you will be sent a verification code on your email. So you'll just have to enter the verification code here to verify that it's you. So I'm just going to enter the verification code here and then simply log into my account. So here is the verification code that I've just got. And once you have done that, you can just enter the code like so, and then simply log into your account. And from here, you will be taken to your account where you can enter the One4all coupon code. So if you have the code, you'll first have to verify that you're a human, and then you will be logged in. So now you'll just have to click on the three dots and then click on redeem a gift card. So if you have the One4all gift code, you can just enter the code here, and if the code is valid, it will be applied to your account, and while you check out with your food, you can use the discount. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.